Man, I ain't got no damn. Bro, I ain't got no damn top for my Fufu game. Yeah. Shit. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cash Money Ace Gang. What's up, man? Today we finna do a seafood mukbang. Nah, I'm just bullshitting. But for real, we finna do a Mexican food mukbang. And all I got was the Birria tacos. So all I got from there was Birria tacos. Then we finna do an African mukbang. African food mukbang. So hey man, y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Get your host subscribe, get your friends subscribe, get your grandma, your mama, your boyfriend, your baby daddy, everybody to tune in, man. So y'all can see. Hey, yeah, it's finna go down today, baby. And I'm telling y'all now, the Fufu finna be fire. It's not my first time trying the Fufu, you know what I'm saying? But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be with y'all in just a second. Man, got the Mexican food from Senor Tacos, man. I'm telling you, they're one of the best places in the city. One of the top mini restaurants. I won't call them a restaurant because it's a small location, small business. So, hey man, y'all give it a try if you ever in town. That's where we getting food from, man. I'm telling y'all, they're the best in the city. I'm tired of spending money, man. Got the Fufu on hand, gang. Now it's time to get active. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all let me know what y'all think gonna be the end result. Am I gonna give it a, 8 out of 10, a 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 5 out of 10, a 2 out of 10. I'm gonna tell y'all, 9 gang, that Fufu is close to the booger. Hey, that Fufu bussin', gang. For real, Fufu bussin'. Shit, stay on point, man. Y'all make sure y'all try it, bro. Like I told y'all, hey, camera died, so I already ate most of it. I'm sorry. You gotta try this Fufu, bro. No cap. Yeah. 10 out of 10, bro. 10 out of 10, no cap. Let's look at it. Taste good. I bet your baby mama don't taste this good. Nice kick to it. I can't complain, gang. Telling you. 10 out of 10. Look. The only downfall is, well, the only bad thing I can say is it's super slimy. But as a man, I think we all like cause I don't complain my face out slime, so I ain't gonna complain this slime. That's just what it is, gang. Make sure y'all go try the Fufu. And the Birria tacos. My son there getting whooped. Lord have mercy, look. Bro, and I swear I really don't like okra. I'm not an okra eater. Only person that give me to eat this okra is my mama. Literally, besides, you know, people that cook fufu, good fufu. And this shit off the chain. That's the last little bit of dough I got, y'all. Last little bit I got. And we just gonna tell you what, it's over with. It's over with. I don't even worry about that no more. Yes, sir. Out of 10, gang. 10 out of 10, bro. I promise you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you go get your own goddamn plate, cause you ain't getting none of mine. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you like I used to tell my Uncle Don. You ain't getting none of mine. Hey, what y'all think, man? Y'all think it's gonna be an 8 out of 10? A little 9 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? 10 out of 10. I know right now, gang, that Fufu gonna be bussin'. It's gonna be it. It's gonna, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a 10 out of 10. Got a little spice to it. You know, somebody said it got a super kick, but to me, I like spicy food. So, hey, Fufu my #1 African dish, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. And I'll be to my potatoes. It's not potatoes, gang. Don't be disrespectful. Yo, I'ma slap your mother. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Y'all keep disrespecting Africans and African food. I'm telling you. But yeah, man, we finna get this mukbang on the. Finna get this mukbang in motion. My cameraman ain't hear no shit, so ain't no cameraman today. Yeah, man, that's about it. I get with y'all in about 3 hours. Alright, so look, gang, this we got. Like, I already can't give it no 10 out of 10, gang. Y'all see how they did the first time they ever did this. Man, I ain't got no damn. Bro, I ain't got no damn top for my fufu, gang. But yeah. Shit! They be like, hot potato, that's what they mean. This literally what they mean, cause these motherfuckers lava hot. Shit, we're gonna leave that there for a second. Y'all give me a minute. Right here we got the young tacos. Hold up one second. Oh, let's see what we got on here, man. Just me all day.
Feliz Navidad, nigga. Feliz Navidad, nigga. Feliz Navidad.
We're gonna get it up out of here, get it up at you. You know what I'm saying? Get it up at you, gang. Yeah, but this me all day. Look at her plate, what she got. Lord. Gonna be on happy plate. Oh, happy plate. Yeah. left there alone because she had an angry heart attack. Heart attack. Leave that alone, man. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. My first time getting the real tacos. You know what I'm saying? With the onions. I barely eat onions, gang, baby. Bitch, baby dad ain't got one of these yet. Dirt, I got one. Just sit there right there. Ooh. Yeah, man, that's what's going on. Finna get it poppin'. She got me on that. Yeah, shout it. Can't cook like this. Facts. But we in, gang. Let's get it poppin'. Got my line right there. I ain't getting no cilantro, I don't eat that. Yeah, man, it look good though. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cash Money Ace Clubvegas Huncho, man. And today we finna do a taco mukbang and a African food mukbang, man. We finna do fufu today. That's my favorite African food, my favorite African dish. So hey, we finna get it in, man. Y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Cash Money Ace. I'm out here in the rain, risking my life for y'all. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hey, share the video with your friends, man. Get your friends to watch it or watch it with a friend. Much love, gang. I'll be back in a minute. Bro, the camera wasn't even recording. I'm on my phone, died. So guess what? I'm back at it tomorrow, gang.